Hi, Victoria.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. What do we have here?
We have a bursting box full of books.
Let's look at them.
Yay!
Digestion, the musical.
Oh, The Girl Who Built an Ocean.
Am I a frog?
We don't know. We'll find out. Actually, I think these two go together. We have dragons in a bag with the dragon beef.
Oh, that's a series that a young friend recommended to us. It's supposed to be really good. And this is for free. The Witch's Apprentice. So those are really good.
Okay. Oh, this is adorable. Hello, little egg.
Oh, this is from one of my favorite TV shows, Puff and Rock. We have Let's Go Fishing, Baba and Una. So cute.
Okay. Here we go. Listen up, exploring the world of natural sound.
Secret Life of the Sea Otter.
Oh. We have Wing Bearer.
Oh, graphic novel.
Yeah. Exciting.
Who is Zendaya?
One of these. Oops. We have, The Frustrating Book.
The Heartbeat of Wounded Knee, Life in Native America, by David Troyer. Adapted for young readers.
And then Unstoppable Us, How Humans Took Over the World. Volume 1.
My Nest of Silence by Matt Faulkner. Historical fiction.
Oh, Unbreakable, The Spies Who Cracked the Nazis' Secret Code.
We Are Here, 30 inspiring Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders who have shaped the United States.
And then we have The Talk. I'm trying to find out.
The Troubled Girls of Dragonmere Academy, Anne Erskine. Yes.
Oh, I think someone's going to be excited about this one. We have another Press Start, Super Rabbit Racers.
Ooh. Outside Nowhere by Adam Gorba.
We've got a Wings of Fire, Forge Your Dragon World.
Bad Drawer by Seth Fishman and Friends.
Let's see. So Much Snow. I don't think we're ready for this one just yet.
Good Dream Dragon by Jackie Davis.
Building an Orchestra of Hope.
Seen and Unseen.
Sparrows in the Wind.
Me and Muhammad Ali.
Ooh, this one's very shiny. We have the unofficial official guide to the ancient Egyptian afterlife.
Minecraft Mob Squad.
Oh, Hazel Hill is going to win this one.
Unlawful Orders by Barbara Binns.
Ooh, another graphic novel, The Golden Hour. Oh, looks like photography.
This book is not a present by the actor Max Greenfield.
Oh, looks like Mama's Home.
Oh, this one is so good. 3 Billy Goats Gruff by Mac Barnett, illustrated by John Klassen, my favorite.
Looks like it's our last one, A Head Full of Burns.
Wow, I'm so excited to read all these books, Victoria.